Welcome, everyone. My name is Ana Saldarriaga, and I am the Chief Operating Officer of We Are All Human, a foundation dedicated to advance equity for all, but with a particular focus on Hispanics in the United States. Today, we are going to host a panel where we will be hearing directly from panelists on their learnings and their advice as they have navigated these issues themselves. Andrea Freire, who is the Chief Digital Officer at Adalitica. She is dedicated to driving businesses through digital transformation with a focus on AI integration. What are some examples of best practices, programs, initiatives that your company or organization has implemented to advance and overcome the retain pillar as a barrier?
Representing the technology space, I want to start by expressing that one of the myths about digital transformation or technology is that it is all about harnessing technology, but it is not. It begins with diverse teams of people who reflect the full diversity and rich perspectives of our world. So collectively, we have an opportunity to propel the future and do good. With culture, culture is the key long-term success. So the best culture already exists for every organization. So every company already has its own best culture. So, and with that said, that means that they have their own ideas. They know how to do things and how things should go for the organization. But without a clear purpose, communication, and measurement of the how to do that, it might be hard for employees and sometimes for customers to grasp and to understand. So in my organization, in Adalitica, the way we have helped companies embarking into digital transformation has begun with a comprehensive assessment. And this assessment helps them articulate the opportunities on the current culture and their preferred one. Now, the assessment it involves many aspects of the organization, but focused on the retaining on the human resources aspect in this session. And to determine whether the organization is on the right track, it is not about doing something new, but it is about finding out what works for the organization when we perform these assessments. So creating a data-driven culture, that's the goal of the assessment when it comes involvement with the human aspect of digital transformation is to create a data-driven culture, because it is a multiplier for the outcomes that matter the most for the organization. And when it is properly harnessed, it becomes very powerful, a very powerful differentiator. But who needs to be involved in digital transformation? So digital transformation touches every part of the organization. Most successful companies establish cross-functional teams for their digital transformation initiatives. And we, in our organization, when we perform these assessments, we create an outline, a recommendation of roles and functions to involve and ensure the best success in the process. So collaboratively, organizations and leaders need to help guide the transformation efforts, strategies, and digital capabilities by communicating the mission and the goal of the organization to everyone. And then to bring to the application and leader and teams, guide the enterprise applications, manage the adoption of new technologies. Then comes the data analytics leader teams that provide intelligence and business insights for the planning, the strategy, the focus of the alignment and decision-making capabilities, everything that the business needs at that moment, the involvement of IT tools to enable new technologies and and digital solutions for the business innovation that is going on within the organization. And with that, going away from only technology, the sourcing, the procurement, the vendor management, the marketing team, everyone in the organization needs to evaluate and contract and engage in this digital transformation and innovation.
Thank you, Andre, so much. Oh,
yes. So this is, yeah.
Yeah, no, I think that quite an umbrella issue of like building the culture. And then one of the many ways of building the culture so Hispanics can feel that they belong and therefore stay in the company is through digital transformation and having a data-driven assessment that is not about what you feel that they want, it's about what they actually want. So fully valuable.